it's recording. Yeah, they've been pegging me for a while. But as you dude, I just felt one through my fucking knee armor. Ow! And my fingers. This might be a video of just getting hit by damn bugs. Look at them, they're like jumping off the road and committing suicide. Are they not hitting you still? I think they're like jumping to avoid you and then you're heading right at me. Ow! This is crazy. I'm going into a tuck. Oh yeah, and my windscreen's getting... Oh, shit! That one was on my helmet. You could just hear the thump. My windscreen's caked in bug guts now. Ah! They're landing on my bike! I just had one on my fucking handlebars! Oh, it's still on my bike! It's like up behind my fairings! Watch this video just to laugh, because I've got to use this. There's no way I'm not. I think he finally got off my bike. There's like attack of the bug swarm or second, what was that, what plague was that, like the third or something like that? I think the duck got a call. I don't know if you guys can see these bugs or not. I'm getting pelted with bugs. They're grasshoppers, apparently, that are jumping up off the road. All those little spots you see fly up in the air, either at me or off to the side, those are grasshoppers. And they are just... I don't know why there's so many of them. I don't think I've ever seen that many grasshoppers. See them? I don't know if you guys see them. Ah, see, I know you had to have seen that. See, they're everywhere. And they're like all over the road. It's insane. It's like the invasion of the grasshoppers. And I'm upset that I can't lock my throttle in, and something's going on with it. Did it lock in? No. Something moved. Something had to have moved, because it ain't letting me lock it in. You guys might be wondering where I've been. I will explain. Okay. Lots been going on. As you guys may know, my grandfather passed away last month. Or no, sorry, the month before. And that's about when I kind of disappeared. I tried to film a review video of my suit. And after 3 days, it's trying finally getting to 99% processed and staying there, I kind of gave up on it and went to film another one, and it ended up being corrupted as well, and I've just been dealing with technical issues like that, which is why I haven't put a new video up. The speed limit dropped pretty low, with no warning, by the way. But I've been dealing with that, and then I tried, I've got a video of the Yamaha demo days. I rode the Nikon. Obviously they wouldn't let me film for some reason, but today we went out to Cassidy and did that bike rally, and now we're headed back. What's the GPS telling you the wrong way? Up there, it's working again. It was just unscrewed too much. GPS being stupid. No, and it's a straight shot from here. I mean, not really like you can get lost.